So you take out your safety clip release right here. Fumoto. This one we had to use the adapter in order to fit this valve. However, the new valves they come out with allows you to install this without actually having this piece on there, because the whole entire piece here will move to wherever you want it to go. The safety clip here is used just to make sure that this valve doesn't open automatically, but as you can see, the actual valve itself is a lot higher than anything else in here, so it shouldn't break it off or anything like that. So let's open this valve up right here. And it starts draining into the pan. So this hose is optional. I'm not exactly 100% sure what the size of it. I'd use this for my fish tank drain line. It fit perfectly. And I'm sure Fumoto actually has a valve that, or not a valve, but a hose that fits it. So from there, you just let it drain. Come back up here. Just open up the gas cap, or not the gas cap, the oil cap. And help it drain fully. Okay, so now we can see that the oil is completely drained from it. Obviously not a lot of fluid coming out of it anymore, so what we just need to do is just shut the valve off, and we do that by just literally pushing on it. It has a recessed spring on there to kind of keep it from opening up inadvertently, so you can push all you want on here onto the valve itself, and it's not going to open unless you raise and turn it. In here. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Yep. That's it. And last but not least, grab your safety clip here that you can buy from Fumoto itself and place it back onto your valve to prevent the valve from automatically opening on its own if it were to be tampered with. You clean up the drain. There's also little nipples in there if you want to cover up this valve hole. You can use pretty much anything you want, but just to help keep dirt out of it if you're worried about that, but shouldn't really bother the performance too well. So this is pretty much what it would look like if you use the hose for your drain pan. It's gonna be pretty clean, minus the random spots when I pulled it out, but essentially it makes everything much cleaner. So we'll go down here. The only thing I really hate about this is that it is under one of the frame rails, so it's kind of a pain in the ass when taking off. But not only that, it makes things a little bit dirtier, just because it's going to be rubbing off the let's see here, on the rail here itself, so it's going to drip and it's going to run through, make everything all oily. I personally don't like that. You could try putting a piece of like plastic or something like that to come down here and drain directly into the pan, but obviously sometimes, right now it's kind of windy, so it just kind of fly off. So instead of avoiding that, I'm just going to open it up and see what happens. And you want to do it hand tight. You don't want to use a wrench, filter wrench, to tighten it up, or else you could make the seal kind of come off the filter itself and basically start spilling everywhere. How I know this is because I did that with my clips back in the day. It's actually funny, I did it in a AutoZone parking lot. It spilled everywhere all over the floor. Alright, so it looks like we're right on the money now, so perfect. The last thing, we'll go through here for this 2014 Odyssey. Take off my gloves. I'm going to reset the oil light, or the maintenance light. So we'll go into settings, vehicle settings, and we'll do the maintenance reset, and we'll reset it. It says 90% now because I reset it earlier because I really didn't want to do the oil change yet, but now we're resetting it. So we'll confirm that, and we're good to go. That's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching.